guys, it's Carolina here from KarolinasKrafts and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I have a project share for you guys and I'm so sorry my voice sounds different. It's because I've been sick. I've been in my craft room. I've gotten to do some crafting, so I'm happy about that. I want to show you guys what I had created. So here's a mini album. I'm going to show you guys the card first, which I actually just finished packing up and I was like, wait, I should probably film a video. So I'm going to open this up. Hold on. Okay, I want to show you guys because this is a pop-up card that I had made. See, when you package stuff up already. Alright, so here's the card that I made, and when you open it up, it has all of these super awesome elements, and this is created for somebody's dad that's turning 73. So it says happy birthday here on the back. It says dad has 7-3. So what the person that ordered it for their dad said was that he likes blues, grays, and fishing. So everything is fishing pretty much. I have blues and like grayish brown tones. And yeah, so that's what I got here. I love it. And then this is the outside. I actually cut the paper a little too short, so I ended up having to add some ribbon, but you know, it actually looks good like that and it separates the two a little bit, and I actually really like how it turned out, and great use of my ribbon, guys. Here's an up close of all of the elements in the card. Again, you have the happy birthday. I did like a little die cut, like a splatter kind of thing back there. Some of these are up on acetate, so they like flop around. You have a little fishing boat. This says gone fishing here. I just bought like some clip art and I used that, and I bought some digital papers to use. I cut out 73 with my silhouette cutting machine, and actually all of this was like, you know, cut out with my machine. But yeah, isn't it gorgeous? I sent it to the person that ordered it and they love it. So I'm so excited to mail this out to them, and I hope her dad loves it as well. And here is another project I had created for someone as well. They wanted a Valentine's Day mini album. Well, at first she was just like, what do you have for Valentine's Day? And I originally had created one of these for my boyfriend for our 6-month anniversary way back when we were at 6 months. I will attach that video down below because it's also a tutorial on how to make this. So I'm gonna link that down below, but let me show you guys this one. So this just has like some twine to keep it closed. Okay, on here it says 2020. I have some jemmies. I added this bow. This is a new die cut bow that I have from KS Craft Store, and I love it. I cut out this because she wanted it to say the Manaya's Valentine's Day 2020. So I have that. I attached some little foam hearts, and it's super adorable and like some shiny glitter paper. Now when you open this up, it's going to be hard for me to show you guys because it's not all going to fit in my space, so I'm going to kind of like keep sliding it over. I'm going to try to show you guys as much as I can, so maybe I'll zoom out a little bit. Alright, this is as much as I could zoom out before you guys could see the mess that is my craft room right now. But when you open this up, it's a heart accordion like mini album. Look at that, guys. Isn't that gorgeous? So moving down to this side, I'm going to try to show you guys. I put in little tabs here so that she could put and write little messages or notes or whatever. So I'm sticking that in here. I have her photos that I included. I wanted to be able to include more photos, so I made like these little like fold out things, and then I included 2 more in here. Okay, then she has these photos that she sent me, and again this has another thing like that. And then the last heart here also has like another pull out tab. I can't do the pull out tabs like throughout. I can only do them here where it's like flat and this part stays flat because these parts fold. So I can't exactly have a pull out tab unless it was like on the square, but there's just not enough space, I feel. So there's a little pull out tab. How adorable is this? So she's gifting this as like a family card for Valentine's Day, and I think they're gonna love it. Oh guys, it's so cute, and I love the one that I made for my boyfriend way back when also. I'm also making a whole bunch more of these as well, and I plan on listing some like album card bases in my shop in case you guys want to get one. And then I could always like print another photos for you guys also for an additional charge. But so that's gonna also be in my shop, and I just love it. I just love it, guys. I really think it turned out amazing. Like the first one I made wasn't even Valentine's Day because I tried to make it somewhat masculine because it was for my boyfriend, and I was so happy that she wanted like traditional Valentine's Day, even though I tried to include like some that have like other colors, so it's not super girly, and she loves how it turned out as well. Like, guys, it's just like so cute. Don't you guys love it? Ah, so adorable. All right, so that is the mini album, and I just wanted to share that with you guys. And then you just tie it back up because otherwise it's just gonna like flop around. So I just like attach like a little string, and there you go. Isn't this like the cutest gift, guys? It's so cute. Make it look pretty, and I'm gonna wrap it up to mail out to the person. So that is my project share for today. I hope you guys enjoyed my crafty video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I shall see you guys in my next video. So I'll talk to you soon. Bye.